In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Nothing OS on any Xiaomi Redmi phone. Open the Google, search here Nothing OS APK, tap on Softonic website, tap on free download, skip the advertisement, tap on free APK download, tap on download anyway. File is downloaded, simply tap on open, tap on install, tap on open, tap on set as default, select the Nothing launcher, allow the permissions, tap on confirm. As you can see, in my device Nothing launcher is implemented. All icons shaped are changed and also wallpaper. So this is how you can get Nothing OS on any Xiaomi Redmi phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.